Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the 8 top clips in sequence. Take the top wooden board away. Machine manual. Cap station. Starter kit. Embroidery hoop number 1. Toolbox. Accessory box. Remove the buckles of the front board in sequence. Take the front wooden board away. Remove the buckles of the left board in sequence. Take the left wooden board away. T-shirt hooks. Bobbin winder. Casters and table support screws. A side stand. 2 support beams. Base plate. The other side stand. Table. Remove the upper middle panel. Remove the buckles of the backboard in sequence. Take the back wooden board away. Remove the lower middle panel. Remove the buckles of the right board in sequence. Take the last wooden board away. Remove 2 plastic mounting blocks. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 3 screws. Remove 3 fixing screws underneath. Open toolbox. Find the number 10 wrench. Use the number 10 wrench. Unscrew the nuts at the bottom of the wooden crate. Done. We recommend keeping the buckles and fixing tools for future use.